Welcome to the Urban X Dolby Soundbar 2240 tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup process, basic functionality, and advanced features of your new soundbar system.
Unbox your Urban X Dolby Soundbar 2240 and its accessories. Ensure you have the power adapter, HDMI cable, Now, let's explore the basic functionality of your Urban X Dolby Soundbar 2240. Here's your remote control. It allows you to control various settings and features of the soundbar. Press the power button to turn on the soundbar. You'll see the indicator light illuminate, indicating that it's ready to use. Use the volume buttons to adjust the soundbar's volume to your desired level. Explore different audio modes for customized audio experiences. Press the mute button to temporarily mute the soundbar. Press it again to unmute and resume audio playback. Let's dive into some advanced features. Access the soundbar's EQ settings using the remote control or the on-screen menu. Fine-tune bass, treble, and other audio parameters to suit your preferences. Explore the soundbar's connectivity options, including HDMI ARC, optical input, USB port, and AUX input, for versatile audio connections. If your soundbar supports voice commands, use a compatible virtual assistant like Siri or Google Assistant to control playback, adjust settings, and more. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to maximize the potential of your Urban X Dolby Soundbar 2240. Whether it's enhancing movie nights, enjoying music, or immersing yourself in gaming audio, this soundbar delivers an exceptional audio experience.